Welcome back to 4AIP Solution, where we demystify intellectual property. In this segment, we focus on how to register trademarks in India, a process governed by the Trademarks Act of 1999. Let's jump right in. Domestic filing in India. For a trademark to be protected in India, you can file directly with the Indian Trademarks Registry. The journey starts with a public search to ensure no similar trademarks exist. Once the application is filed and approved, it goes through a meticulous examination, and if all is well, your trademark is registered. The Madrid system. Now for our international players, there's the Madrid system. This global framework, governed by the World Intellectual Property Organization, streamlines the registration process across multiple countries with a single application. But how does it work for India? Conclusion of this video. Whether you choose the direct route with the Indian Trademarks Registry or opt for the efficiency of the Madrid system, the goal is the same: securing your brand. Stay tuned as we unravel the intricacies of these processes. Thanks for watching.